Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make something everybody makes. It's a pea salad. I do mine a little different probably, and everybody does theirs their own way. So hopefully you'll like the way I do it, or you'll add something to it that I'm not adding in it. And that's good too, because that's making it your own. I need a small purple onion. Okay. Got a bad spot in this one. These are from the garden, and you never know if they're bad or not until you cut into them. So, I'm going to have some pieces that I'm going to have to take out. But that's okay. It's big enough. And if you only have a couple spots in an onion that you grew in your own garden, you're lucky. So, a little more than I thought, but that's okay because there's still plenty of it. You take 4 cups of peas, I use. Now, like I said, you want to change it up, make it different, go for it. Because there are so many recipes out there for pea salad. And sometimes it gets kind of confusing. So, just make what you want and what your family likes, because they're the ones eating it. And with the holidays right here on us, I got to get some things made. Excuse me, made. Some side dishes. I want to get this one and got a couple others that I want to do. I didn't realize how quick it was coming on us, but it's already here. So we're just going to make some easy side dishes. I don't know, used to we cooked and cooked and cooked, and now it just seems like we make the easy things. I know my grandma always made so much, but then I stopped and looked at what she made when it wasn't the holidays, and it's like, it's no different. She's still cooking all that stuff. It was just different. Maybe she just put it in different bowls, I don't know. But she always had the biggest meals. And this is something she loved, this pea salad. She'd sit down after the holidays if there was any left, which wasn't too often, and she'd sit there and just eat that for a meal, which you can. I've done it. Then I'm going to take 1 can of chickpeas and put in it. Now I've already drained them and rinsed them, so they're all ready. And I'm using 1 can of pimentos. Using my fingers. Been working all day in the kitchen, and I'm just, my skin's going to be wore off if I wash many more times. Okay, I'm going to try to just incorporate this a little bit. This looks Christmassy anyway, because you've got your green peas, and you've got your chickpeas, and then you've got your pimentos, which are red, and then our purple onion, which I love onion, as you all know. So that's going in. A very simple dish to make. Make it the night before and have it ready ahead of time. That's what's nice with some of these dishes like this. We can get them done the day before, and then the day of, we don't have quite so many things that we have to do. So, then, of all things, can you imagine putting bacon in it? Well, I've got 6 slices of bacon that's in it now. So, and bacon makes everything better. So, there. Then I'm going to set this aside over here. I'm going to make my dressing for it. Now, your dressing is just basically, you've made it before, only you're just adding a couple things to it. We're going to take our, don't want to open, we're going to take we're going to take 1/3 of a cup, which is probably mayonnaise, and use any brand you want. I mean, you don't have to use what I do. A lot of times I use what's on sale. Most of the times I use what's on sale. And then we're going to add a couple tablespoons of sour cream to it. Add more if you want. Make it your own. Put in what your family likes. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, probably about 2 tablespoons. Then you'll taste it, and if you need more, you just add a little bit more. And a couple tablespoons of vinegar. Smells good. I'm going to take my salad, bring it back in. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper to that. That's something optional. You can do it if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. There. And then I'm going to put in about 3/4 of a cup of cheddar cheese. Well, I've only got a tablespoon left, so I'm going to use it all. We like cheese, so that'll work. Then we're going to add our dressing to it. Just drizzle it on there. Now, if you make this and plan on using it, making it the day you use it all, go ahead and add your dressing. But if you're not going to use it the same day that you make it, if you're going to set it in the refrigerator and catch up a little bit on your foods and have it prepared ahead of time, then don't put the dressing on it until you get ready to eat it. Oh, now that does smell yummy. So pretty. I like to cook when the dishes are pretty. I do. I like to put parsley and stuff on top of my mashed potatoes after I get them ready to go on the table, because I don't like just the white. Nah, that I don't like. So I always do a little bit of something else to it. Now, I've taken and put country ham on this before, which makes it really good instead of the bacon. Either one's perfect, so it just depends on what you like and what you've got in your refrigerator. this out of the way. And then I'm going to taste this. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So it's got to taste good. Anything that looks good tastes good. But make it your own. Put what you want, what your family likes in it. See how pretty the bowl gets then? And it really makes a pretty dish for the table. And as you saw, it don't take no time to make it. Matter of fact, I've got time to make another one. Oh, that's delicious. But now that'll be good for a couple days, no more than 3. I wouldn't keep it over 3 days. But like my grandma always said, it ain't gonna last 2 days, let alone 3. So don't keep it over 3 though. So, and I've got another salad I'm going to get made up here real quick, so I'll bring y'all along on that one too. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful holiday. And get with your family, have a lot of fun, tell everybody you love them, and just have a great holiday. I hope you have the best. I appreciate y'all joining me today, and I'll see you real soon on another video.